Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to make quinoa and some sauteed broccoli. Yeah, don't you worry if you've not made this before. I promise you it's an easy recipe that you want to try out. This has become one of my family's favorites when it has to do with dinner, lunch, any time of the day basically. Quinoa, if you don't know, is rich in protein. In fact, it is protein based. So yeah, if you're trying to cut down carbs and all of that, then this is your go-to recipe. These are the ingredients. I have some chicken thighs, drumsticks, and chicken breast, some carrots, peas, peppers, onions, ginger, some pepper. I have olive oil, and I have some mixed seasoning. So these are the ingredients we'll be using. An overview of all that I'll be using to make this wonderful dish. A list of all the ingredients will be in the description box for more details. So without saying much, let's get cooking. First off, I'm going to season this chicken and then we'll go ahead and grill it. So let's go. So this recipe comes together really fast, so you need to ensure that all your ingredients are prepped and ready for cooking. So to season this chicken, first off, you already know how we do it on this channel. We're going with the base seasoning, which is our salt. I already made incisions on the chicken so that the seasonings can penetrate really well and the chicken is tasty. I'm using just salt and then my mixed seasoning, mixed spices. I'll have a list of all of that on the screen so you can see what I have mixed here already. This saves me a lot of time, and I know that this mixture has everything I need for my cooking. Make sure the chicken is properly seasoned. Let's massage it gently so each chicken is properly coated with seasoning. I'm going to let this marinate for a few minutes before I transfer it into the oven. And because I want it to have some extra heat, I'm going to add some chili flakes to it. So let this sit for a few minutes. So in my pot, I'm just going to add water. In this water, I'm adding salt. So adding 2 seasoning cubes, no to be precise. I'm going in with some onions. I'm going in with some of the mixed seasoning and a little bit of oil so you can cook nicely. Let's allow it come to a boil in a few minutes. I almost forgot to add this pepper. Yeah. We'll go right ahead to add the quinoa. This is the brand of quinoa I've been using for a while now, and it's really nice. I want to be making all of this. I'm making just half. So give it a good stir and cover up to cook. If your piece is not pre-cooked, you need to cook it together with the quinoa. But if you have the already pre-cooked one, you can stir fry with other vegetables. Okay, so let's allow it to cook with the quinoa. You can choose to use liver to make this, or even sausage. For me, I have chicken breast, so I'm using chicken breast. Or even if you don't have any of this, you can choose to cook it just with the ingredients you have. You're good to go. Unless I forget, you really don't need to wash the quinoa. Most of the ones available are already washed. You just need to cook right away, just the way you make couscous. I mean, if you haven't seen my couscous recipe, you need to check it out. I mean, I like to pride myself in making couscous. I'm like, I have one of the best couscous recipes, so you have to check that out. I have about 3 or 4 recipes on my channel already, So in fact, my most watched video, I mean, if I'm not mistaken now, is couscous. So check that out. For this, just salt is enough, and then we'll go ahead to stir fry it. This is cooking nicely. If you need to add water to it, feel free to do so. Let's see. Nicely cooked, but for me, I think I need to add a little bit of water. I like it really soft. So however you like it, it's okay. If you don't want it really soggy, then don't add much water to it. I'll let it cook for the next 5 minutes and it's ready. So in my pot now, I'm gonna stir fry the chicken and the other vegetables. Some oil in the pan. Okay, nicely fried. I'm going in with some garlic. Oh, what did I say? I'm going in with some ginger. We're taking a break from garlic here. And then some onions. I'm not taking out the chicken. I'll just put everything together in the pot. Red bell pepper. Carrots. Salt to taste. Mix seasoning. Mix spices. I'm going to take out some that I'll add on top. We add some of the cooked quinoa right inside and stir fry. This is really filling. Once you cook this the right way with lots of vegetables and additional protein, chicken, fish, beef, pork, whatever, and you serve it, keeps you full for longer. All you need to do is to be taking water and minding your business. So let's give it a good mix. I'm pouring this back. Can have this in place of rice. So yesterday I asked my husband, babe, what should we make for lunch on Sunday? I was like, oh, quinoa, I've missed it, quinoa. I'm like, okay, say no more. We're gonna make quinoa, baby. And here is it, ready. Delicious. Wow. We're not done. I mean, it's ready, but we're not done yet. At this point, you can turn off the heat. For this, we're just going to go ahead now and cut it and then saute it. This is one way to cut your broccoli nicely. Just follow it gradually from the stem. That way you're not ruining your broccoli and wasting it. Cut it gently like this. Cut it out like this first. Then go ahead and separate it gradually. Make sure you wash with salt. little bit of oil. We already have enough in our food, so we're just gonna saute this. Another way to do this is basically to blanch it. I mean, by using boiled water over it, and it's good. Salt. Let's cover for a few minutes. See the vibrant looking green. Food is ready. Let's dish out. Nicely grilled chicken, succulent, juicy. Present to you quinoa or fried quinoa, sauteed broccoli, and grilled chicken. Let's enjoy. I honestly can't wait to dig in. Can't wait. Mmm. 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 So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment. What else? Subscribe if you have not. Why will I forget that? Please subscribe. You know now we're trying to grow this channel. We're trying to get monetized as soon as possible. So please show us love by subscribing, by sharing, by commenting, recreate the recipe and tag me. For now, I'm just gonna leave it here as I go with my plate of food to enjoy. Bye.